Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a really simple, easy recipe. So simple it's almost ridiculous, but very tasty, something I really enjoy. And these are going to be Ukrainian potato cakes, and very few ingredients. Let's get on with it. It's very uncomplicated. Now I've just got 4 medium-sized potatoes, and the first thing I need to do is grate them. I'm not sure what I've done with my manual grater, but luckily I've got my food processor here. Now I'm not going to put it in the chopper, but I have got this grater attachment that I can use, which I barely have used, but yeah, going to give it a whirl now. So we'll see how this goes. So I've just sort of chopped my potato into sort of chunks like that, so it'll fit down this chute here. We'll see how we go. Now while I've got that grater going, I've just got a small onion here as well. I've just chopped in half, and I'm going to grate that into it as well. Too easy. Okie dokie. Now next I've got just a clean bowl here. I've got my strainer. I'm going to tip my onion and potatoes into that strainer. I've got clean hands, never fear about that. And we're just going to give it a bit of a squeeze around. And I might even just let it sit there and drain for 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, now once my potato and onions there have been draining for a while, I'll give them another little bit of a squeeze. I just wanted to show you what I'm left with here. So you can see there's liquid sort of sort of residue there, but the reason I've left it sit there, part of the reason, is down the bottom here. I don't know if you can quite see that, but there's quite a lot of white starchy bit. If we go up that way maybe. I don't want to disturb it too much, I'll have to let it settle again. See up here, this white starch like that. I'm actually going to leave that in the bowl and then like drain that liquid off, the watery bit, and then leave that starchy bit to go into my potato mix. Alrighty, so I've moved my potato and onion into that bowl while I left that starchy little bit of residue there. There wasn't a lot, but yeah, we may as well use it. Now to that I'm just going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of just plain flour. 2 eggs, and I'm going with 2 eggs because per plan I wanted big long grains of my potato like that when I grated it, and the eggs are just going to help sort of keep them together. Plenty of seasoning, cracked black pepper, and I'll just give that a good mix up. And I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've just got my fry pan here now, a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to get this onto a sort of medium heat. Yeah, I don't want them to cook really quick because it is potato. So I'm just going to go with small little handfuls to start with. That's so big. And then I'm just going to flatten them out with my spatula here. And I'm going to have to do a couple of batches of these. My fry pan's not the biggest. Gently, gently, slowly, slowly, no hurry. Alrighty guys, so I've served up a couple of my potato cakes here. I'm just serving it with some crispy bacon that I crisped up in the oven. I like it crispy like that. I mean, you can serve this whatever you like, but traditionally it's served with a couple of dollops of sour cream, which is what I've done here. So I'm just going to taste the actual potato cake itself. It's nice and crispy on the outside. See if we can have a look up close. Give her a taste. Yeah, man. Absolutely delicious. Really. Yum. Just delicious. That's all I can say about it. So simple, as you saw. Just a few ingredients. You whip them up in no time. And, man, that tastes so good. I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of this now. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. It's fantastic. Look, if you haven't subscribed yet, can you do us a favour? Just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation. Yeah, it just helps my channel out. And if you want to hit that notification bell, little icon, all that does is it'll notify you when I upload new videos. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.